U-turns, man. There's so many of them. What's going on, guys and gals? We are recording the final video of 2025. And I kind of want this just to be a thank you video and kind of an update video of what's going to happen in the year 2026. So feel free to podcast it. I'll have some engine ASMR along with it, but join along for the ride, and we're just going to chat about it. Real quick, just wanted to talk about the accomplishments that, you know, I got through for the year for the channel. The original goal, as some of you guys might know, was 50 subs by the end of this year. And clearly, we are way past that, and we tripled it. I mean, we killed it, right? 184 at the time of recording this video. I did not think that was going to happen at all. I mean, it's a V6 Mustang channel. Who cares, right? But, you know, 184 of you guys do, so I appreciate it. Out of all the videos, 10 of them broke 500 views, which is incredible. 4 of those broke 800 views, and then 2 of those broke 1,000 views. Nuts. Actually incredible. So thank you for that and all that support on those videos. Like, it feels good, you know. I enjoy doing this just as a fun hobby, but seeing them do well like that is a good feeling. The other couple of accomplishments I wanted to talk about was for the car itself. You know, we took it to the drag strip multiple times. We got it to 13.2 up in New England, so that's great for a quarter-mile time. 0 to 60 at 4.5 seconds. That's hella awesome, I'm not gonna lie. You know, that's faster than some V8s, and it keeps up with some of the V8s. And lastly, we got this car dialed in with MPT's Tune, so very happy with that. And the car is running perfectly, no issues. Car's got power, love it. You know, very happy with how everything turned out this year. I guess that kind of leads into next year, what the plan is, content-wise and car-wise and goal-wise. So we'll just first say that the goal for the channel is probably about 300 subs by the end of 2026. I think it's possible. We got to 184 this year, so I don't see why 300 isn't possible, especially with the content coming out that I have planned. This year, I made some of the goals a little bit smaller and shorter, and we just kept breaking them and breaking them, so why not shoot a little higher and just add an extra, what, 120 subs, roughly. As for content, goal is to pump out a lot of cool stuff. You know, now that we're in Charlotte, there's a lot to do, and I'm excited. So, in my general area, there are about 2 other drag strips around, so I'm curious to see what the car runs the quarter mile in down here. The DA is different, so it might affect the car a little bit. Hopefully it's a little quicker. That'd be nice, you know, maybe a 13 flat. I don't know how much DA really affects that, but we're gonna find out. I am trying to get on Charlotte Motor Speedway. I don't know how, but I want this car on that track. I think it would be super cool to be on that oval just like we did in Darlington. So we're gonna try to get on there. So we have some car shows and car meets going on, basic stuff. But this year, Mustang Week is in Charlotte. So I'm very excited about that. It's literally in my backyard and I can't wait. I'm so excited. I don't have to take off work really. And I can just go. Oh, there's a Shelby GT500 right there. I don't have to take off work. I don't have to do really anything. I just go right after for some of the events, which is exciting. And I assume that they're gonna do stuff up at the drag strip and Motor Speedway, so we'll try to get in there. I'm really hoping to go to Ponies in the Smokies this year. I don't know if it's possible. I don't really have the PTO at the new job yet. And it's a little bit farther away. I think it's about 2 hours, so we can't really feasibly go after work. But we'll see. Maybe there's something on the weekends and we'll go join that. That being said, heading west is Tail of the Dragon. So I will be taking this car on Tail of the Dragon, and I'm very excited. I did Back of the Dragon this year, so we gotta do Tail of the Dragon this year. Some other car, non-Mustang car-related videos I kind of want to try to pop out. Maybe some NASCAR events. I'd like to go see a NASCAR race at Charlotte Motor Speedway. That would be cool. They have a dirt track as well. I don't know anything about that. That would be cool to go see. So if you guys are interested in seeing that sort of stuff, please comment down below and I'll be happy to go to those. So that'll be neat. The other thing I do want to mention for content-wise that I think is going to be very interesting and a lot of fun is kind of ties into what I want to get done with the car next year. I'm thinking about lowering it. I'm not 100% sure yet. I don't mind the stock height, but I know lowering it would make it look good and kind of handle a little bit better, so I'm teetering on the edge for that. The other big thing for next year is I have already ordered it, and it's supercharging the car. I'm adding boost to the car, so I'm very much excited about that. I ordered a Pro Charger kit through Lethal Performance during their Black Friday sale. It was a good deal. I got about another $1,500 off with that, and I said now is the time. I knew I was gonna boost it, and I just said let's just do it. And at that point, it's faster than 5.0s. It runs well in the quarter mile. 0 to 60 should be pretty decent. Maybe 4.0 seconds, 4.0. On the road to boosting the car and adding the supercharger to it, I think I'm gonna make a little mini series of like road to boost or prepping for boost, and just talk about the different things I'm gonna do to the car to get it ready for that. So, ooh, crispy downshift under the tunnel. Other than that, those are the plans for 2026. I want to get the boost done maybe in April because I want it for the whole summer and really enjoy having a boosted car throughout the whole summer, because I think that'll be sweet, and everything else is just gonna land with that. So again, if you guys are interested in seeing like non-Mustang related content, like a NASCAR event or, you know, different things like that, please let me know. The last thing I do want to mention is that I am posting a poll on the community tab. On that poll is just going to be saying whether or not you want some content during the winter break. Little fun fact about me, I am from Las Vegas, Nevada, so I will be going back for the holidays, for Christmas and New Year's, to Vegas. I didn't plan on recording anything because it's not really car related, but if you guys are interested in content from there, I'll see what I can do and get some stuff filmed and uploaded for you guys in 2026. So please, after this video, head over to the channel, head to the community tab, and vote on that poll. Thank you guys for so much support this year. Let's have 2026 be an excellent year, and I'll catch you there. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and deuces.